G'day lawnies, get your lawn on. Today's video we're going to look at this shockingly bad lawn that I've got here and the steps I'm going to take to improve it. Get your lawn on. So this lawn is a bit of a nightmare with the weeds and the different grasses. Yeah, it's a lot of work to do on this lawn. I did think about totally gutsing this lawn, putting the landscaping in and totally gut it. I have been offered, lawn from Lawn Solutions Australia, but I think the channel will get a fair bit of value out of seeing how it improves from what I've got. It's quite a similar situation to a lot of people that are starting out, having a lawn that is there, can be saved, just need to get on top of the weeds, the soil management and the watering management and the care management, and the fertilizing obviously. So I think there's a lot of value in doing that. When it comes to springtime, what I'll do is then I will look at doing a bit of an overhaul of the irrigation and getting that happening, and that'll make the job here much easier. Plus, hopefully by then the lawn will be, not hopefully, it will be, in much better condition, and that way I can really hit spring running. So it is the 21st of March here. We're still getting temperatures around about 27, 28 during the day. Night time, morning, it gets down to about 12 degrees. So there is still some growth going here, so I'm just, I know I'm leaving it very late, but I reckon I can make it work. Alright, let's get to it. This lawn is mostly Santa Ana couch, and that is the grass type I want to have. Other grass types include common couch, rye, some native grasses, and unfortunately some kikuyu. So I will use some glyphosate to get rid of those. The first thing to really do with a lawn that's got weeds is treat for those weeds first. So that's what I've done today. So I will use a post-emergent herbicide suitable for my grass type. And this is bow and arrow herbicide. Mix up 50 mils of bow and arrow herbicide in at least 2 litres of water, up to 5 litres of water. With your sprayer, treat your area. Now on the top right, if you click that, that'll teach you how to calibrate your sprayer and how to use Lawnporn products. The principle's the same for other products such as herbicides and soil wetters. That'll get rid of the bindii and all the broadleaf weeds. Now bow and arrow actually takes a fair bit of time to work. You could have it for a week and not notice much difference in the weeds. I've just got to keep that in mind. I'll be able to mow this in a day or two, neaten things up a little bit. Yeah, so I've got that soil coming from Heinrich's because the soil here is just so bad. Really got to get on top of my levelling issues, and I really got to get on top of the irrigation, simply because I want to be able to mow it and not have to hop around or mow around irrigation sprinklers that are in the middle of the lawn here. It's a really terrible design. It's not my design, that's for sure. Now I know it's tempting to do the weed and feed stuff. It doesn't really tend to work. So concentrate on weeds first, and then concentrate on fertilising and getting your lawn in a bit better condition. So hopefully the heat will stay around for a bit longer here, so I get some active growth after I've done that top dress, and then I'll be able to use products such as Charger to get the fast, vigorous growth and hopefully coverage. And the root builder I'll chuck in there as well, because the roots will need to deepen and strengthen, especially for the winter months that are coming up. Well, got a lot of work to do with this one. Make sure that you tune into Lawnporn future videos and check that out. Subscribe and give this video a like if you're enjoying what you're seeing. Get your lawn on.